Hi guys, welcome to Cheetah Challenges. Today we're going to be doing
the water chugging challenge.
the water chugging challenge. And the sad thing is I'm not thirsty.
Me either, but whatever.
So what we have to do is see who can drink this bottle of water the fastest.
Oh, and it's cold. I hate cold water. I mean, like, I like cold water, but
Okay.
yeah.
And I'm a hippie today, so whatever. 1. And Marks, get set, go. I'm done. I spilled on myself.
No, that's just cheating, Zoe.
Oh, I like it. I'm gonna spill on myself more, but this is really comfy and warm.
And see, I think it's comfy, but I don't think it's warm.
What are you wearing? Oak Forest. That's all?
Scholar. Because I'm smart. Just kidding, it's my brother's. I wore this when I was a bank robber for Halloween, and everybody at my school was like, "Oh, so you're a bank robber who's an Oak Forest scholar?" And I was like, "Yeah."
I can't do this. I just can't do it. I drank this much. I just cannot drink anymore. Why does it look like I'm like really close, but you're like really far?
Because of the angle of the camera.
We'll get closer. Come on, drink water. Okay, this is a really dumb challenge.
Well, you suggested it.
Oh! Okay, I know. We can do the one where you have to drink with straight arm.
Okay.
You have to keep your arm straight and drink the water. I was asking my dad last night how I could possibly do that, and he was like, it's impossible.
I don't think it's impossible. You just have to get it at the right angle.
Okay, so now here we go. We're coming along.
Oh, yeah, dumping it in the sink. Okay.
Yay, I drank more than you. I'm obviously the winner.
That didn't work. It didn't go in my mouth.
Okay. Well, I would call this a fail.
Yep. Kind of.
So this challenge is a fail challenge because neither
I
of
don't
us
know how to do it.
You want to meet the bird?
The bird is really cute, but he's really annoying.
Come here. You want to make all that noise and I'm trying to film a video? Get over here. Come here, dude. Ouch! Ow! Come here. Come here. Stop, sweetie.
Do you need help?
No, I got the thing.
Okay, if you insist.
Why won't he come to me? Why are you running from me?
You're not doing it.
Ow! He bit me! Ow! He like legit.
He's not gonna kill you. Guys, this is the bird.
This is Petrie.
Is that really necessary?
Guys, look at my fluffy wuffy boots. Alright, so this is it for Cheetah Challenges. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see.
Yeah, hi.
Hey, come here.
You have to have your finger higher. Like, you have to keep your finger higher than he is. Because he likes to step up.
Look, let's take a picture. Look at me and the bird. Oh, it's like he kissed me. It was like, mwah, mwah. Is it a boy?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay. This is me and my bird. He's really cute.
Wait, I want to try the straight arm one more time. I feel like I was
Yes,
really
Peach.
close.
No, your mouth has to be more. No, it's too close. No, it's too above your head now.
No, it wasn't. Oops. Guys, I give up with this
Anyway,
challenge.
thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you guys next week. Bye, guys. Because I really want to know.